second day of the Agri Expo in Pune, and more people are pouring in every second. What we see here is Mahindra tractors, which has a considerable amount of crowd pouring in. Then we've also seen the Jai Kisan tractors. Yesterday there was a big bunch of crowd at the Jai Kisan, which has relatively lessened today. We have a huge collection of tractors here at New Holland Agriculture, and the red one that we see was almost sold at 25 lakh. Let's move on to that blue tractor that we see here. This was the only tractor which was sold at 25 lakh rupees on the first day of the Agri Expo, and is the only tractor which is of almost 90 horsepower. We are here at the New Holland Agriculture stall, and we have with us Suklal Sapkade, who will give us more information about this tractor which was sold at 25 lakh yesterday in the Agricultural Expo. सुखलाल, या ट्रॅक्टरची जरा माहिती द्याल का?
हा 90 HP चा ट्रॅक्टर आहे मॅडम.
What he's saying is this tractor is the only one which is 90 HP.
हा 90 HP.
आणि अजून काय ह्याच्यात
याच्यामध्ये खासियत याच्यामध्ये असं आहे की हा 4 व्हील ड्राईव्ह ट्रॅक्टर आहे. 4 व्हील ड्राईव्ह ट्रॅक्टर असून याच्यामध्ये एसी कॅबिन पण आहे. याच्यामध्ये फीचर जे आहे टर्बो इंटरकूलर ट्रॅक्टर आहे.
What he is also trying to explain that this particular tractor has a AC compartment inside. It's a 4-wheel drive and also has a turbo intercool system. We'll get to know more features about this tractor. To me, it looks pretty huge, almost the size of my study room. अजून ह्या ट्रॅक्टरचे फीचर काय आहेत?
कम्फर्टेबल सीट, आरामदायक सीट असल्यामुळे दणका वगैरे जाणवत नाही.
What he's saying is it is the most comfortable seat in a tractor, and people riding it don't feel the jerks and don't feel how bad the roads are. So this is an added advantage to the new age farmer.
ॲडजस्टेबल स्टेअरिंग, डिस्क ब्रेक, डायफ्राम क्लच.
What he's also saying is this particular tractor has an adjustable steering. It has disc brakes and it has a diaphragm clutch, which seems to be state of the art. So everything I see here in this tractor is top notch. So let's now get out and see what else we got to have in this exhibition. We are here at Farm Track, where Sonali Pawar will now show us a small traditional dance called Lavani. This tractor that I see here in the expo today is one of the smallest ones I've seen, called Mitsubishi Shakti tractor. The main features of this tractor is it's used in cultivating, in plowing, transporting people from within the fields, and also for spraying purposes. So this is a compact tractor farmers can use because it's quite economical and almost is sufficient for their daily needs. Here at the Greenfield Material Handling Private Limited, there is a recoil pump set. We get to see a portable diesel pump set. A lot of other handling materials which are used by farmers on a day-to-day basis. Also, we have some brass and iron HTPs. We have these machines that are used in farming and measuring. We have some spraying units here also, which are battery operated. And apart from this, we also get to see a lot of recoil pump sets, which is very useful in a farmer's daily life. We are now at this stall called Class, which has a harvesting machine here, which is almost a German technology and redefines harvesting solutions. It almost has a 8 feet wide cutter bar, multi-crop harvesting options, and it's suitable for small fields because it's very easy, in terms of ease of operation and for the farmer to use every day. we've come to this food court, which is in a huge sprawling area, and you get to see various stalls of ice candies, typical Maharashtrian food, typical Maharashtrian thalis, and I'm sure the whole crowd is enjoying every bit of this exhibition, right from farming equipment to the food here.